By doing some research, I recently came across a website that pays really well, and it will pay you almost instantly most of the time without you selling anything and without promoting anything as an affiliate. This is a brand new platform that will allow you to make money online for free without investing any money whatsoever and without any previous skills or experience. And yes, for those wondering, it is indeed worldwide available. If you stay until the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly what you need to do in order to get paid. And I will show you how you can earn even more money through the said website. So please keep watching. Now, even though this is a fantastic way to make money online and it can get you paid big time, it will not make you like hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, if you are interested in making money online in the long run and in passive income as well, be sure to check out the very first link down in the description box below. And with all of that said, let's now get right into this tutorial, guys. As you've just heard, today I have a brand new and rather unique website to share with you. One I can bet most of you have never heard of before. And here is the website in question. It's called hiresign.com. Right off the bat, when you come onto this site, you can see here that this is a place where you can find various jobs online. And they vary from simple tasks to like typing jobs to a bit more complex and skill requiring jobs like translation, proofreading, and so on. Now, I really want you to keep watching because even though you can do some of the jobs and get paid quite decently, I will show you what job to focus on because I have a tool that will literally do all of the hard work for you, meaning that you will be able to get paid big money online, but also without doing most of the work. So once again, stay tuned. Anyhow, it's on this page right here that you can see exactly what kinds of jobs this website offers. To access this page, all you need to do is click on Current Openings located at the very top of the page here. Once you come onto this page, you'll be able to see that it is free for you to register to the platform. They will pay you on time. They offer 24/7 support, and you get global exposure. In other words, as I promised you before, this is indeed worldwide available, and it will most likely work in your country no matter where it is. By scrolling down a tiny bit, you'll be able to see all of these jobs that they offer. And for each and every one of them, they pay really well. You have typing jobs first and foremost, and for you to get paid typing, all you need is a decent typing speed. Not something everyone has, of course, but if you've been using computers even for as little as a couple of years, chances are you'll be able to qualify for typing jobs on this website and get paid. And typing is a job I would highly recommend you guys check out because it's quite easy and not so demanding. You just need to have a decent typing speed, and that's about it. Furthermore, you can see that they'll pay you between $4 and $6 per page, which contains 2,000 words. That is actually quite decent. Nothing too special, of course, but it's not bad whatsoever. The next job we have here is proofreading, and this is a bit more demanding than typing. You do need a very good knowledge of English, obviously, if you're going to be able to proofread anything, but you get paid up to $10 per page, nearly twice as much as was the case for typing. The next jobs they offer are as follows: completing surveys, graphic design, PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheet entry jobs, voice recognition jobs, online advertisement, and lastly, language translation. All of these I have mentioned, apart from the surveys, do require some sort of skills. And if some of you, for example, are good at design, then you can work as a designer on this website. If you know 2 or more languages, then translation is a good option. And so on. Chances are, though, for most of you, you won't be qualified to do any of these jobs apart from typing. And this is why I said I want you to keep watching. We will be focusing on one job in particular out of all of these because I have a tool that will do all of the hard work for you. And that job is proofreading, believe it or not. Obviously, if you want to proofread anything, you'll need a good knowledge of English. But thanks to a site I will show you in just a moment, you'll be able to proofread any article, no matter how many words it has, within a few seconds, allowing you to earn big money online doing literally nothing. It's as easy as that. Before we get to that tool though, I want to show you how to apply for proofreading jobs in the first place. And do keep in mind that what I'm about to show you, you would do to apply for any of these jobs, not just proofreaders per se. To apply for proofreading, the first thing you want to do is click on this underlined text here. On the following page, you'll be able to see the requirements you need so that you can apply as a proofreader. I won't go over them as to not prolong this video, but make sure you guys check them out. Now, to apply for a job, you want to scroll down almost to the bottom of this page, and then click on Apply to be an online proofreader. On the next page, scroll down just a tiny bit until you come across this section where it will say Submit Job Application, and you want to click on that. On the next page, scroll down and click on Apply Now right here. And finally, on this page here, you will be able to enter in all of your information so you can sign up as a proofreader on this website. What happens once you send your job application is they will send you some text which they will want you to proofread for them so you can actually show that you have skills as a proofreader. And when that happens, you will now want to go over to the website that will, for absolutely free, proofread any article for you within seconds. Here is the site in question. It's called Grammarly.com, and what you need to do when you come onto this site depends on whether you want to install Grammarly onto your PC or use it online in your browser. If you want to install it, then you should click on Get Grammarly. It's free. If you want to use it online without having to bother installing the software, then just click on Login in the upper right corner. I myself will go along with the latter option. What you'll need to do from here is just click on I don't have an account and then proceed to enter in a bunch of your info so you can sign up. Once you log in, this is how everything will look. And what you guys will now want to do is just paste the article that HireSign sent you to proofread here. And this tool will, within seconds, detect mistakes and it will show them on the right-hand side here. As proof that this works, I found an article online and I deliberately wrote some things that didn't make sense. And as you can see, this platform has indeed detected all of the mistakes. To correct an error, all you would need to do is click on it like so, and then on the green word, which is the correct one. By doing this, you'll be able to, within like 3 minutes or so, proofread any article, guys, no matter how many words it contains. And once you proofread the article sent to you by HireSign, you'll just send it back to them. They'll accept you in their team as a proofreader, and you'll be able to make money online basically copying and pasting text as easy as that, all thanks to this free platform. For those of you who are loving my videos and you want to see more of them, then make sure you click on one of the ones that will pop up on your screen any moment now. With that said, if you liked this video of mine and you want to see more, then be sure you leave a like down below. Every single one is appreciated. And if you haven't already, then you really want to subscribe and tick the bell icon to turn on the notifications as more videos are already on the way. As always, thank you for watching and see you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.